How to recover your Snapchat account without phone number or email. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to recover your Snapchat account without your email address or phone number for you to log in. So what you'll do here is you need to open the any web browser and then type in Snapchat support. When you click on Snapchat support, you click on the first option for as long as it has the help.snapchat.com, and you'll be routed into this page. Once you're on this page, you can just scroll down a little and click on contact us, and then here you will be submitting a request, but you need to provide more details about what happened. So for example, what I'll choose here is I can't access my account, and to explain it more, you can click on I can't verify my email and phone number. Once you have chosen one of the options, you need to input the username of your Snapchat account, and then you can provide your email address as well as your phone number. So by the time that the Snapchat support team will um, be able to recover your account, they will be reaching you through your contact information that you will be providing here. Just type in my email, then a number, and then you on the description you will explain on what happened and also indicate your request that you wish to recover your account. So here what I typed in is, dear Snapchat, I lost my email and phone. Now I can log into my Snapchat account. Please recover my account and please email me at this email address. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on submit, and by the time you will be clicking on submit, you just wait until the Snapchat support team will be reaching you out through your email address. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!